Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, PC Error Fix. If you've ever encountered the dreaded, the application was unable to start correctly 0xc00007b error message while launching any application or games on your computer, you're in the right place. The 0xc00007b error code is essentially a Windows application error that often occurs when a 32-bit application tries to run on a 64-bit system or when there's a problem with your system files. There are several methods to fix the 0xc00007b error, and we're going to walk you through a few of the most effective ones. Solution 1. Run the applications as an administrator. Solution 2. Reinstalling the problematic application or games. Solution 3. Update DirectX. Solution 4. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages. Solution 5. Repair corrupted system files. Now, before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1. Run the applications as an administrator. Some software or games requires running as an administrator privilege to run properly. So launch the program as an admin. Right-click the application's shortcut, and then click Properties. From the Properties dialog box, click on the Compatibility tab, mark the Run this program as an administrator box, and click on OK. Solution 2. Reinstalling the problematic application or games. If running the app or game as an admin won't work for you, then you might be seeing the error due to some sort of corruption, so reinstalling the problematic application or game may work for you. Go to Start menu and click on Settings. On the Nest window, click on Apps. From the listed apps, search the problematic app and click on it, and click on Uninstall and follow the process to uninstall it. Now install the particular latest version of the application or game compatible with your system from the official website or Microsoft Store. Solution 3. Update DirectX. Some software and especially games require the latest DirectX software to run properly. So, installing the latest DirectX version may work for you. First, check the DirectX version installed on your PC. Open Runbox and type dexdiag, and then click OK. On the System tab, note the version of DirectX that is displayed on the DirectX version line. On the various tabs, check the version information for each DirectX file. When you are finished checking file versions, click Exit. Now, if needed, then download and install the latest Direct version by visiting the Microsoft official website. Solution 4. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages. When the Microsoft Visual C++ package is not correctly configured and it stops the application or game from launching properly, so reinstall it to fix the error. Open Control Panel from Windows search box and click on the Programs and Features. Locate all the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages and uninstall them by right-clicking on them. Once uninstalled, restart your system and download the 32-bit and 64-bit of Microsoft Visual C++ from the below given link. Solution 5. Repair corrupted system files. The corrupted system files may generate the 0xc00007b error and prevent the application from launching, so repair the files by following the steps shown. First, open the command prompt window with administrator privilege. Now, in the command prompt, type sfc/scan now and hit enter. This command will scan all the system files and fix them. In case your system throws an error, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files, then executes the following commands. Once the process is finished, reboot your PC. We hope this video was helpful in demystifying the application was unable to start correctly 0xc00007b error. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.